Today I'm going to introduce a new version of Esky training collar, the EP-R800 series. With its extremely long effective range and comparable strong level correction, the EP-R800 series are more suited for middle and large-sized dogs. According to manufacturer's specifications, the effective range of the EP-R800 series can reach up to 1,000 meters or 3,300 feet due to a built-in antenna in the collar. Of course, the above-mentioned maximum range is one that can be reached fully in interference-free environments. According to our testing results, the effective range can reach 700 to 800 meters or 2,500 feet in ideal conditions. Anyway, in either case, the EP-R800 series simply represents the very best. Now, I'll give you a brief introduction about the remote and how to sync the remote and the collars. When you look at the remote, you'll find the power button on its left side. Please note that the button under the power button is not functioning. Press the power button to turn it on. After you turn on the remote, the display light will light up. The button in the middle is the menu or mode button. You can press this button to cycle through different modes. On the right, it's the vibration and increase function button. On the left, the shock and decrease function button. The decrease function button serves as a beep function button, which means that when it is pressed, the collar will beep. If you press the increase button, the remote itself will beep. When in setting mode, you can adjust the correction level using the increase and decrease button. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to configure correction levels on the remote. First, let's look at the LCD display. There are 4 function symbols on the screen. From left to right, it's beep, shock, vibration. The last one is beep to remote itself, which means press it and the remote itself will beep. Now press the menu or mode button for 2 to 3 seconds for the remote to enter setting mode. The remote we're having is A, which you can see is flashing on the screen. Use the increase and decrease function button to adjust the correction level for each function. Similarly, you can adjust the correction level in mode B or mode AB. Now, let's turn to instructions on how to sync the remote and the collars. Turn on the remote and choose the mode or channel you want to sync the collar with. Find the reset hole in the collar. Then use a toothpick and insert it into the reset hole. The indicator will begin to flash. Now press any button except the menu or mode button to finish. The indicator will be solid red, which means the collar has been synced in this channel A. This system can be synced up to 2 collars. Now I'm going to show you how to add another one to this system. Switch to another channel. And like before, use a toothpick and insert it into the reset hole and press any button except the menu or mode button to finish. Now the collar is synced with the remote in channel B. The collar is synced in either mode A or mode B, except for the mode they've been synced in. They will also respond to remote to another mode, which is AB. The collar, which is synced in mode AB, will respond to the remote in mode A, B, and mode AB. For example, The collar synced in mode A will work in mode A and AB. The collar synced in mode B will also work in mode B and AB. The collar synced in mode AB will also work in mode A, mode B, and mode AB. Today I'm going to introduce a new version of Esky training collar, the EP-R800 series. With its extremely long effective range and comparable strong level correction, the EP-R800 series are more suited for middle and large-sized dogs. According to manufacturer's specifications, the effective range of the EP-R800 series can reach up to 1,000 meters or 3,300 feet. Due to ability